Hey there, Shankar. Everybody, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today, we're going to be talking about market update on what's going on with crypto and in generally the entire economy. So now, right now, you've seen recently over the last month, and the Bitcoin price is just moving up and down within a certain frame. It's not knocking above the 28, 29 mark. It's not knocking below the 24 mark. So what's really going on? There's a lot of uncertainty. We don't know in regards to what's happening with the debt in US, what's happening with the inflation's movements, what's happening with the other economies. There's a lot of talk of a recession potentially coming. There's a lot of talk about, the US Treasury pushing people to hold cash and believe in cash and blah, blah, blah. There's like a war happening. There's all this craziness happening. And we're just sitting there waiting. Do I buy Bitcoin? Do I sell Bitcoin? How do I make money from this thing? So here's my personal opinion on this. As I've said to you guys, if you look in hindsight, you got to open up the chart a little bit, look at 2 years, right? You're still getting a great price right now. And we're looking at the next predictions from a lot of people are coming in, obviously non-financial advice, that Bitcoin will go to 100K, and this is somewhere around in 2024. Now, I had told you guys in my last update that we'll look in May, and we're here in May. We're looking at what's going on, and at this point, I'm also gonna say if you were trying to buy at the 14, 15, 16K mark for BTC, or trying to buy other assets when Bitcoin hits 15K, 16K, 17K, I wouldn't say that's highly unlikely, because if a recession does come and people do need to take out cash from these markets to put towards their daily living. However, I would ideally say that's about a 30% chance, right? So you're looking at a 30% chance of it going down, whereas potentially from here it might just fluctuate between the current two marks, and then somewhere in 2024 I can foresee that it could probably start going back up as the economy starts to come back to normality, correct? So then we'll start seeing a ripple start going up again. But that's as I said, that's a higher percentage chance. For me as a probability person, and what I would look towards is that if I can currently be less risky, and I can buy the assets that I want, then I would. But if I don't have the funds right now, and you're like, you know what, I want to wait. I want to buy BTC at 15K, 16K, 17K, and I'm willing to go towards that 30% that it will crash. Oh, sorry, it will go a little bit down. Then I'll wait. So this is where we see the current market acting, and the way I see the various aspects of economics affecting the crypto market. Just like that, the stock market is more or less acting the same, and so this is what's going on. Now, unless if there's something that drastically happens all of a sudden that no one can foresee, for example, let's just say another country says we're going fully in war, then obviously that's going to affect the BTC price. Or if all of a sudden Ukraine, Russia say, okay, we're stopping, we're rebringing the oils back to the supply chain, oil prices fall, then obviously the economy starts jigging again, the supply chain goes up, things start happening. So without any changes to the way the economy is currently flowing, I kind of already told you guys what I'm thinking. Obviously not financial advice, but if something else happens, then obviously it'll require a different analysis, and it will affect the price. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Share this with your friends, and as always, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.